Hello, and welcome to the fifth section in this course. In this section, we are going to take 1. Introduction to Traffic Sign Classifier. 2. Implement Traffic Sign Classifier with TensorFlow. Traffic Sign Classifier applications. In this video, we are going to take Traffic Sign Classifier applications, GTSRB difficulties challenges. Traffic sign recognition has direct real-world applications such as driver assistance and safety, urban sense understanding, automated driving, or even sign monitoring for maintenance. It's a relatively constrained problem in the sense that signs are unique, rigid, and intended to be clearly visible for drivers, and have a little variability in appearance. Still, the dataset provided by the GTSRB German Traffic Sign Classifier database presents a number of difficult challenges due to real-world variabilities such as viewpoint variations, lighting conditions, motion blurring, occlusions, sun glare, physical damage, colors fading, stickers, and an input resolution as low as 15 by 15 image. In this section, we will apply convolutional neural networks, ConvNets, to the task of Traffic Sign Classifier as part of GTSRB, German Traffic Sign Classifier database. Convolutional neural networks are biologically inspired multi-stage architecture that automatically learn hierarchies of invariant features. While many popular vision approaches uses handcrafted features such as HOG or SIFT, convolutional neural networks learns features at every level from data that are tuned to the task at hand. The traditional convolutional neural networks architecture was modified by feeding the first stage features in addition to the second stage features to the classifier.